Hello guys, just a quick update about manual bidding. Don't get super excited, it's not like before, but I think that it's working a little bit. I think that I know why it's working a little bit, so let's analyze it and I will show you some things on my PC soon. The manual bidding and the way that I'm doing the manual bidding actually is that you are having campaigns that they are conversion ads campaigns, okay? It's normally conversion ads. And then you come here and instead of having here optimization for, I cannot change it sadly to show you, let me do another campaign just to show you. So if we create this one, let's go for sales, continue. Okay, if you come here, let's select the pixel, purchase event of course. Okay, so here instead of conversions, you are optimizing for value with my way of manual bidding, and you're putting the ROAS. If you want to achieve 2 ROAS, you're putting 3 ROAS. If you want to achieve 2.5 ROAS, you're putting 3.5 and so on. And then if you're having good results like 3 or 4 ROAS, you're coming and you're decreasing the ROAS here. And the big secret here is that instead of 7 days after click, you're putting 1 day after clicking. Now, this used to be a very and super volatile method because before the iOS changes, super effective. And the good part with this is that you can put a very big budget like $200 and it's not going to spend it. Every day is a constant struggle, okay? It's trying to get sales again every day, and it's resetting and it's using only the previous day results. And if it's not able to get you the results that you want, by the way, here's the ROAS that you can put. If it's not able to get you the results that you want, then it's not going to spend all the amount of money. It will try to spend an amount that is going to give the result that you actually want. So you might put $200 and it's going to spend only 100, only 50, nothing some days. The tendency that I see with these campaigns is that they start a little bit strong, they have a spike and then they die immediately. They don't spend anything after some point. But it stopped working after the iOS changes, and the main reason for that is the delayed reporting. And I'm doing several videos about delayed reporting because I think that this is one of the biggest issue. Not even the reporting that is less, it's a problem right now. For me, the delayed reporting is something which is a plague, okay, right now for Facebook. The delayed reporting is causing all the issues, because if we had normal reporting, at least even if some sales were not going to be reported, I would be able to optimize properly. Now I have to do all of these kind of tricks in order for me to be able to optimize, and I will have to wait more, which I hate to do because I don't trust Facebook 100%. So with this optimization strategy and the value, this is another way on top of what you're doing with your conversion ads. You can put the ROAS that you want. It's not going to spend all the money and stuff. Please be careful when you're doing it. Don't come here on the comments and blame me that I made you spend $500. If you put 7 days attribution setting, for example, it's going to spend all the money, okay? Even with 1 day click, it can spend all the money without the results. Please be careful with this. If you don't have the budget to do it and test it, don't do it. But here, it's an extremely volatile method, and I can show you here in this account how it went and how it's working. So let's see for this. We're watching the period of 18 to 30. Okay, so I'm going to start from the 18 and let's see how the ads did all of these days. So in the first day, this one that started, we can see that it spent nothing. On the 19th, we have this campaign started. You see, it spent 128, 129 with nothing. But here I think that we had several checkouts. Let's go in the next day. Again, 150 nothing. I'm sure that it had checkouts. 2.88 on that day with 140. Most probably the sales were reported, and we had some from the past that have been reported. Then we go on 22 and it starts to roll all of the delayed reporting. Back in the days when you had these campaigns, it was 2.9 ROAS since day one, for example, okay? You didn't have the delayed reporting, which is causing all of these issues. You can see also that the spend is actually starting to decrease. And we can go here 32 now, 117 on 27. Yeah, it reported 3 sales and spend only 5 cents. This is why you see that. Of course, these are delayed reporting sales. 25, nothing. They stopped spending actually. 26. This one spent only $1, took 1 sale. Nothing, which means that they died. This is the point that you're going to do a relaunch all over again, all over again, all over again. Extremely volatile method, and I can tell you that it's effective. For example, this account we want 2 ROAS. I'm optimizing for 3.2 and 3.5 ROAS in my settings over here in order to get that. If I see that I'm getting results, for example, if this one was skipping for a longer period, I would take it, and instead of having 3.5 ROAS here as a target, I would put it to 3.2. Okay, and so on, you can optimize them like this. The two differences that I see right now is the delayed reporting, which is causing the issues. Back in the day, we used to have sales since day one, which was showing again the spike period and the loss of the momentum. It was always like that, but still I can tell you that now the biggest problem is the delayed reporting. By the way, the reason that this campaign is working is because it's in Germany. Okay, I'm not doing this anymore in the United States, because in Europe the delayed reporting is actually less. It's 24 to 48 hours. In United States that it can go up to 72 hours. It's a lost cause. I have tried manual bidding because I like it. It's apparently a method that helped me to scale a lot of businesses, but still I cannot use it anymore because of that. I think that you should try it if you have the budget and if you have the guts. You should do only one ad set. It's an ABO campaign. You should not do a CBO campaign. You should try it with this way, and you should see if you're benefiting or not. I wouldn't go with small budgets with this one, because you know it can spend a lot. You might be lucky and you're going to have something working very well, and you might spend a lot and you might get good profits. On the other hand, you might be unlucky and you might lose money. Super advanced method. I'm not expecting everyone to understand it. I'm not expecting everyone to test it, but still, it's something good to have as a knowledge. If we were before iOS, I could tell you to do it with your eyes blindfolded. It's actually sad that I created my YouTube channel after the iOS changes. We would have so many other things to show before iOS, but it's fine. I hope that you liked the video. It's super technical in the way that this is working. If you live in Europe, maybe you should test it. Okay? Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.